welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have something very interesting for you guys. We have this DOMS Junior Art Kit which has a bunch of things for us to review, and the MRP is 350 rupees. And guys, they say that this kit contains everything a junior artist needs, so we'll see about that. And it can also be a very good gifting option for people, kids more like, and we'll test everything so that you all are sorted. So guys, now is the glorious moment. We're gonna open this and let's hope for the best. There we go. Okay, so now what all this kit contains: watercolor tubes, these color pencils, a color palette, some pencils. These are ultimate darks. I'm hoping that when I write with them it is ultimate dark, and it comes with a eraser and a sharpener inside. The fragrance eraser, I love them. Now we get wax crayons, we get these oil pastels, some sketch pens known as the watercolor pens. We get this okay, yeah, this is just a normal watercolor palette and a drawing book. So this is all you get in this kit. And guys, I'm actually very happy with the packaging. It's also colorful and nice. So let's once open this up, because I'm actually very curious about what will we get in that. So let's check that. Okay, yeah, it comes with the palette. Okay, let's just keep that aside and now open this up. Let's open the palette first. Because actually the palette's quality is pretty good. It's not like the use and throw palette. It's good. And now let's open up the watercolor tubes. Okay, this is so good. Look at the packaging of each single tube. And guys, this package actually has all the basic 12 colors, which are these. And if you need any other advanced colors, you can always mix and match or go and buy. So guys, the negative point about this pack is that you don't get many paint brushes. You get one in this and one in this pack, so you don't actually get many paint brushes, so you have to go and buy the paint brushes yourself, and everything else is nice. So guys, if you're a junior art beginner, then this set is actually perfect for all of you, because you get everything from the starting of color pencils to wax crayons, then oil pastels, then the sketch pens, then the watercolors, and then the watercolor tubes. But guys, if you like that advanced level, you have to go get the brushes and all the additional colors. Otherwise, this kit, it's amazing. It's a very nice deal as well, because I calculated if you go and get everything individually, it will come up to 380, and with this bag, which is actually a very good quality, it will come up, this bag will be 60-70, so it'll come up to 450, and this kit is for 350, so you're actually saving 100 bucks. That's a pretty good deal, I say, guys. And overall, this kit is amazing, and it's so colorful and nice. I love it. Let's give this kit a thumbs up. And if you liked it, you have to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. And I love you all a lot. Bye.